So guys, today I'm going to be using the Got2b spray, the Got2b glue, and the Gorilla Snout Gel. Then I'm just showing y'all my lace front wig. Here I just went ahead and took my bonnet off and then just flopped my wig on my head. Just a quick reminder, your wig is not supposed to look like this. It's not. Look at this. It's not. No. So I then went ahead and used the Gorilla Snout Gel and then just put it on there to make it tacky, so my wig could just fit good. Then I blow dried it. I also went ahead and sprayed my Got2b glue spray. Then I used the Got2b glue. Then I laid my wig down, trying to make sure it's like not looking too close to my freaking eyes. I went ahead and just took out some baby hairs. Then as you can see, I just went and laid it down, because we can't have no rough edges. We can't, honey. That's a no-no. Then as y'all can see, I just used my little pink scarf to lay my edges down, just to get it prepared to style my hair. Here you're just gonna see me flat iron it, just to make it straighter and not look so much of like tacky or anything like that. And then again, as y'all can see, I just went ahead with my Gorilla Snout Gel, and then I just used that on the top of my wig just to flatten it out some more, just to lay it down. Now I just went ahead and took my scarf off, and then I just, combed everything out. Then as you can see here, I just went ahead and then used some of my eyeshadow just to put it in the middle part. Then as well, I just brushed my hair out, because like, yes, look at that. Just look at it. On fleek, what? That joint is laid from the first time. Thanks y'all for watching my video, and please like, comment, and subscribe.